Got my Christmas ears on. Got my ugly sweater on. Got my mask. We are ready to go to Disney for our Christmas vacation. Hip hip hooray, it's Christmas vacation. Cue the music.
How was the flight, Phil? What'd you think?
I was uncomfortable, but I'm uncomfortable on every flight. But we hit some really rough air, but I honestly can't complain. It is what it is. The air up there is random. I'm just happy to be home.
So I will say one thing bothered me about the flight. There was not a lot of people on our flight, which was awesome. However, they didn't ask people to space apart. So we sit in the first row because Phil, that's really the only seat he can sit in with his long legs. And people sat directly behind us.
Yeah, and they were noisy and kicking my seat the whole time.
I don't understand why the flight attendants didn't ask people to skip rows, because I think normally the craft seats over 100 people, and there were 175, and there were 40 people on the flight. So I don't know, that didn't make sense to me. Otherwise it was an easy breezy flight. I wore a shield, so I felt, I guess, as safe as you could be on a flight. We're here now, so feeling good. Alright guys, we just checked in at the Hilton Orlando Buena Vista Palace. We are right across the street from Disney Springs. We are in a King Tower Suite, and it is room number 2642. So let me give you a tour. Comes with a nice big TV and dresser, multiple drawers. Nice deep drawers too. And we have a fridge, mini fridge, and a safe. Then there's a desk over here with a rollaway component. You have your ice bucket and coffee maker. Lovely little mirror there. And your rolling chair. If I didn't mention before, that desk is nice because it has that second insert that you can kind of roll around the room however you want. Over here we have a couch and a coffee table, some nice blue art. Then we have our bed here. Love the headboard with the little circles. And each guest gets a little side desk and a light. And there's our luggage. Nice amount of space for luggage. We put some there and over here. And then we have a little bench. And then, because I lost my footage, I'm going to show you some pictures of the bathroom. The bathroom situation seems to vary from room to room, but in our particular room, we did have the toilet facing the door as depicted, and the shower was on the left-hand side. That toilet room was very tight. So just something to keep in mind if you have a larger family. We had a sink like depicted in this photo. When you walked into the bathroom, the sink was directly on your left-hand side, and you got that nice little cubby to put some toiletries in. So the sink space was fine. I'm used to sometimes having a double sink or just more room in the bathroom in general to spread out. Then the creme de la creme of the room is the balcony area. We had 2 wicker chairs and a side table. Our views were absolutely amazing. We are on the 7th floor, so pretty high up, and you can see all of Saratoga Springs from the room. But even better, a little bit off in the distance, is the Contemporary, the Epcot Ball, Swan and Dolphin. You can even see Riviera and Hollywood Studios.
Do you like my neck mask?
Yeah. What are we doing?
Going swimming while I'm going in the lazy river.
Are you excited about this lazy river?
Yeah, buddy.
So that is going to be our afternoon lazy river. I think we're going to get a snack first because I don't know about Phil. Phil's being not hangry right now, but I'm about to get hangry. Hi friends, we are back from the pool. The pool here is amazing. It was all the relaxation and everything that we needed to kind of start our trip off on the right foot. And also that food we had, I don't know if we were just desperately hungry, but it was very good. So I got the mahi-mahi sandwich and Phil got a burger. Phil's burger was perfectly cooked, like a nice medium rare, super juicy, very flavorful. And then I got the mahi-mahi sandwich. Honestly, I've had many mahi-mahi sandwiches and that was very good. Top tier. What I enjoyed most about it is had a remoulade sauce, which has a nice spice. It's not spicy, it's spiced, but it wasn't overpowering, but it added a lot of flavor because otherwise, mahi-mahi sandwiches can just kind of get bland and sometimes they'll put a slaw on it and it just doesn't feel special. This felt very special and the buns were buttered. So good. Fries were nice and potatoey. It was a great little kickoff meal. But now we're gonna go to a real kickoff meal. We are headed over to Springs to check out the boathouse. And then Phil said we we might go to Magic Kingdom. We have a park reservation for today for Magic Kingdom, so maybe if we have time, we'll go.